What's up, guys? Today we're down here on the James River outside of, well, just upstream of Buchanan, Virginia. We're going to be doing some kayak fishing for some smallmouth today. My brother saw a fish in this little area right here, but we're going to be doing some smallmouth fishing today. Hopefully they'll be biting, but I have a good feeling today. The water looks good, and we're gonna see what we can do today. Hopefully the fish are biting, and catch back up you guys to catch a fish or two. Well, guys, we are officially on the river. Yeah, we catch these guys here, and yeah, we're on the river. Let's keep rolling. Well, YouTube, we just lost a little smallmouth off camera. No big deal, but that was a bad cast. But we lost a little one. But I think today's gonna be I have a good feeling about today, to be honest with you. I don't want to jinx it though, but we'll see if hopefully we can catch a few fish today. I like to. But we lost this guy on orange and gold Panther Martin, so I'll move on down to the next eddy and try to catch another fish. There's another one. Oh my God! You see that, YouTube? We had a fish. Hold up, we got a fish here for a few little bit. Well, we'll catch back up with you guys. We catch a fish or two. We just lost another one, YouTube. We've already lost 3 fish today. So down here, see if I can't pull another one. This is the first cast in this little area right here, so might be one in here. But they're all small. But you know, we got a few hours. Actually, got to catch a fish at some point, you know. That was a rock, not a fish. We'll catch back up, you guys, and hopefully try to catch a fish. Guys, we got a fish, YouTube. We got a fish. Finally but surely. Nice little James River smallmouth. Check them out, YouTube. Nice little smallmouth. Go for a release. Well, YouTube, the fishing has slowed down quite a bit down here at the James River. I'm seeing them. I mean, they'll peck at it, and probably just getting toward the heat of the day right now, and usually not a good time to fish, but you know, that stuff happens. But we'll keep giving it a grind. So what we do, we just grinded it out, and then hopefully we can catch a fish or two maybe later on this afternoon. Got a fish, YouTube. Woo! Celebrate good times. Come on. Right in there.
Let me see. I want to see fishing. Don't let him go.
Not a bad little smallmouth, YouTube. Not a bad little smallmouth. We got a fish, and it feels like a good one too. Oh, this is a good one here. Oh, this is a good one right here. I'm glad I casted. All right, let's get to this rapid right here. That's probably about a pound smallmouth. Alright. This is a good smallmouth right here, guys. This is my biggest one of the year, I'd say. He put up a heck of a fight. He's a... I got my net right here.
You're snagged.
Yep, you're snagged. I can't. I don't know that I can help you, Bill.
You might be able to.
I'm gonna release it.
Let him go.
That's a good bass.
That's a good one. That's a real good one.
It's okay, not a biggie. I got plenty more. That's why I've got plenty at the store. Got a little rapid here, fellas. Got a little rapid. Whee! There we go. Now it's in the rapid. Now let's catch a fish.